misconception when it comes to remote controlling machinery is that you only need an emergency stop to comply with the requirement. And well, yes, that could be so. However, that's not the entire truth, because whenever you build something, regardless of if it's a machinery or electrical component or whatnot, you need to go back to the risk assessment. So CE marking means that a product or a machine is compliant with the legal requirement, but also that it's safe to use. And that part, the safe to use part, is where the risk assessment comes in. So you need to look at the risk assessment. So if we take mobile machinery and try to remote control this, most remote controls have a certified emergency stop, which is great. However, you likely add more risks to the machine than that. So basically, what happens if you're, you look away or something like that, and all of a sudden the control system runs amok and starts to drive away with your machinery. And that is where another function comes in, which is unintended movement from standstill, which is basically where you want to make sure that as long as I don't move any of the actuators, the joysticks or buttons, everything stands still. So that is something that really needs to be considered, I think, when it comes to risk assessment for these kind of applications.